Hello everyone, welcome today on Monday. Yes, Monday, May the 31st, 2021, the last day of May. We have in this puzzle page, yes, we have in this daily newspaper one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Yes, but in this puzzle page, in the additional, we have also 7 extra puzzles. First one, a letter Sudoku with 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic, second tectonic, and 1 binary. So total 7 extra Sudokus plus 1 medium Sudoku. So we have 8 Sudokus or puzzles. And I will do first the medium Sudoku, then I will do 4 of the puzzles or Sudokus in additional. Alright? Not all of them. It's too much for me, time consuming. And I need also the time to upload those Sudokus to YouTube. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be number 2871. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. I've already counted. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? The number. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We have a 1 in this column, a 1 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Oh! Overlooked the 3. I already have a 3. What a big mistake. Okay, let me delete this. Okay. So we already have a 3. Overlooked. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. We have now 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So this should be a 5 instead of a 3. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. The 2 is missing. So, let me see. 5, 2, 4, 5, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. So no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 4 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 4, 4. 8, 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in the last row. So no 3 and a 9 in this box. The 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The missing numbers here are the 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 6. Okay. We have a 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Alright. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number 3. Yeah. 6. 3, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, and look, we have a 3 and an 8 here, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes, 3 and 8, so 1 digit left should be the 6. Alright. Okay. Yeah. 3. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last column. 3 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 there. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those two boxes. 7 and 8, we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this column. Last column for the number 3. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Okay. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. Yeah. And now 6, 8, 1. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the number 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 6, 5. Let me see. We have a 7 in this column. Last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Yes, 4 is missing. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. No. We have an 8 there. 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Two numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 6 and 8, we see here's 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 40 minutes. All right, great. Medium Sudoku. Fabulous. I like this one. Yes, it's fabulous. And for a 27 printed digits puzzle, if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So it's correct. 40 minutes I've achieved the time limit. So it's a fabulous Sudoku Medium. If I can solve it, you can also solve it. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus. Letter Sudoku, I have a playlist. Tectonic, binary, killer, heavy, light, all those kind of puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel, subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. Have a fabulous Monday. And I will see you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.